Hi everyone, my name is Diego Figueroa Santiago and I'm going to talk about my timeline goals. First, I will talk about the short-term goals. The first one is that I need to identify my career path. Right now, I don't know yet what to study. Between my choice are humanities, social science, or music. My other short-term goal is to complete the admission to the UPR Tuna. They accept me and I'm working on playing with them, but I need to learn more songs and get accomplished to them. The third one is to get my part-time job. It is my first job at a pharmacy. I deliver medication and other things as cashier. It is important to me because I'm having money. The last I'm I'm saving money. The last one is to expand my knowledge in technology because it's important for everything in life. Uh, my long-term goals are first to get a college degree from UPR. It will be a dream that will be true. I hope that I will choose soon my faculty preference. My second long-term goal is to get a job as soon I graduate. It is important for me to start working in my profession and to start having saving money to complete my third goal. I want to have my own place to live and a new car. Last and more important goal is to travel around the world and be happy and be a happy person. Uh, I read the study of Paul Logan Zero. I identify some difference and similarities that I want to share. The differences are I will have success in my first year. I have not been harassed or teased. I will never be ashamed of what happened to me, no matter how bad it is. And the similarities are both of us have to experience of first year of college. I need to get good student habit. My first semester is been hard to deal with. I learned from bad experience. Okay. I want to share with all of you 5 words that I found that I need to talk to look for the definition. These words, these words are on the res, on the res, on the receiving or on the ratio. Do less well than expected, especially in school world. The other one is hustled, hustled in returning inconvenience. The other word is unaccustomed, unusual, not apted. And the other one is truck, truck, trucket, truckle, tramp, drag oneself, walk heavily, walk slowly, plumb, slow, foot slung, toil, drag, clump, club, and lumber. The other word is trip, prosper, growing vigorously, develop well, bur- burgo, bourgeois, blossom, to be well, advance, make streets, and success. Finally, here is the word citizen. Thank you.